Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Chrome even better and faster. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. First, organize tabs with tab groups. Sifting through numerous open tabs to find the one you want to work on can be a time-consuming distraction while browsing the web. Chrome's tab groups feature offers a solution. It lets you organize tabs related to specific activities into different groups. This seamless organization of open tabs reduces clutter and boosts your productivity. To create a tab group in Chrome, right-click on any open tab or a blank tab and select a tab to a new group. Then, enter a name for the group and press enter. Once the tab group is created, you can add any new tab to it. Right-click on an open tab and select a tab to group greater than name of the group. To open tabs within a tab group, click on the Group tab to expand it. When you're done using the tabs, click on the tab group again to collapse it, removing the open tabs from view. Second, reopen accidentally closed tabs from the Search tab menu. Chrome maintains a record of recently closed tabs and lets you reopen them. This feature can be a lifesaver if you accidentally close tabs and don't want the hassle of reopening them all manually. Click on the drop-down menu in the top left corner to expand the Search tabs menu. Here, you'll find a list of tabs you've recently closed. Click on any tab to reopen it. The feature keeps track of recently closed tabs even if you accidentally close the browser session. However, there's a limitation to remember. It only displays the last 8 recently closed tabs. If you had more than 8 tabs open when you closed your browser session, you could only reopen the last 8 tabs you closed. Third, keep tabs from previous sessions open. If you often accidentally close your browser with numerous tabs open and then have to reopen them from the recently closed tabs, consider enabling the Continue Where You Left Off feature. This feature has a notable edge. It retains tabs opened in your previous session, even if you shut down or restart your device. This feature has a notable edge. It retains tabs opened in your previous session, even if you shut down or restart your device. To enable it, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Next, navigate to the On Startup tab in the left sidebar and check the circle beside Continue Where You Left Off. Fourth, use Chrome's Side Panel. Chrome's Side Panel is a convenient feature that allows you to access your reading list, bookmarks, and history and perform web searches without leaving the current tab. To access the side panel in Chrome, click on the side panel icon located to the left of your Chrome profiles icon. From the drop-down menu, you can choose to view your reading list, bookmarks, or history, or you can select Search to open a search field and browse the web without leaving your current tab. Fifth, lock tabs opened in incognito mode. Using incognito mode gives us privacy while browsing the web, but if we leave our laptops unattended in shared spaces like schools or offices, we can compromise our secrecy. Chrome offers a solution to this issue by allowing you to lock incognito tabs when you close the browser. However, this feature is available only on Chrome for iPhone and Android. To enable this feature, tap on 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome for Android or 3 horizontal dots in the bottom right corner of Chrome for the iPhone and open Settings. Then, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab and turn on the toggle next to Lock Incognito tabs when you leave close Chrome. After that, verify your identity by entering your PIN, scanning your fingerprint, or using your Face ID on your iPhone or iPad, and you're all set. Sixth, use Chrome's Memory Saver mode. If Chrome lags and freezes while browsing, especially with dozens of tabs open, it's a sign that your PC is low on memory resources. Chrome offers a solution with its memory saving feature, which puts inactive tabs to sleep to allocate more memory to the tabs you're actively using, thus enhancing browsing speed. To turn on Memory Saver, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select the Performance tab on the left, and toggle on the switch next to Memory Saver. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.